Hello and welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write uppercase E. So let's begin. To write uppercase E, start by drawing half a square and then draw a line in the middle, like this. Now let's look at some words using uppercase E. Egg, easy, eat, ear, eye, If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. It really does help. And if you're looking for free worksheets, visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.